Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you start a group order on your DoorDash app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your DoorDash app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on, so here you choose any products you want to start. So you start group order on it. Uh, like this here, like this product for example here that you just go up, you click here on this sign, then it's going to show for you list like this. You click here on start a group order, and here it's going to show for you here. You click here on get start. So when you click here on get start, then it's going to take you here to start your group order here, and here you invite other others to join your group order. So you just here this link, you can copy this link and send it to your friends to join to your group orders. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.